This is Samsung Galaxy A14, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So you gotta start with making sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store. Inside the Play Store, or from the Play Store rather, we will need to download this free third-party app that is called Turbo VPN, and that's exactly the tool that will help us to connect to VPN/Proxy. So let's get this app real quick. Once it is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. Tap at the Agree and Continue button over here. Choose whether you would like to allow or disallow the notifications from this particular app. Then skip the set. And in order to connect your device to VPN, you gotta simply tap at the caret icon over here. Then confirm the connection request, or accept the connection request rather. And as you can see by this little key icon or indicator at the status bar, your device was successfully connected to VPN. While at it, you can change the server or the country that you're connected to. So let's say I'll reconnect myself from Netherlands to Germany. And finally, if you would like to disconnect from VPN, simply tap at this cross icon over here, choose the disconnect option, and that would be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.